Resetting Windows 10 password. Two ways we can fix this one. So first of all, we have access to Windows 10 using PIN. Another thing is we don't have access to login. Then we have to do some three steps. We have to put our laptop into automatic repair mode. Then command prompt. Then changing the old password. So two steps additionally required for if you are unable to log into the laptop. So Windows 10. So if we log into Windows 10 using our four digits pin, then we don't know our password. We have to reset it. So for that we have to go to the command prompt. So here we have to type cmd, then run as administrator. So we can do the better things. So here, so we have to type control user passwords to, then a pop-up window open. So here we can change the reset the password from here without new password. You don't want any password, then click on OK. No password will be asking on startup. So we can also type new password here, but here is the problem is present. If you are logging as present account holder, you can't reset. For that you have to create another admin account. Here local account, here local account as admin account. Then you can log into that account, then reset this password. This is quite bit lengthy. So for that we have to run if you don't like this method, you have to run a command and prompt. Here we have to type net user to show present account list. Here guest user, hp user. So to know which account you are using right now, just open the explorer, then here select here user hp. So user hp is my present account. So I want to change the password to, so here already I type. So here net user hp is username and password, new password 2 is new password 2, new password. So we are just copying and pasting, already did that. So let's try that. So the command completed successfully. Now our password changed successfully. So we can log in with this password. So for second thing is resetting. It's not good. For second thing we have to go to automatic repair mode. If you are not able, if you are stuck at Windows login screen, then this method works. You can also try with Windows 10 media, Windows 10 installation. Then if you use the Windows 10 installation after installing cd, then instead of install, you have to go to system restore, then troubleshoot advanced, then command prompt. So same thing we have to do this way. So the second step is, so I will demonstrate now. Here is main part. If you are stuck at login screen, then hold shift key and restart. Then you get the this option. Click on troubleshoot, then go to command prompt line, then it restarts automatically. Wait for restart. This step is somehow difficult but easy. Then you have to go to, you may also reset the files, but keeping files and something. So here we enter into command line 4. Here I entered into C drive, but there is no files, and entered to the D drive, but also there is also nothing. And I tried F drive also, I guess, and now I'm going to F drive. So a lot of people confuse it. drive. I'm checking the directory. So those are my D drive folders. I will enter into G drive. So that is my Windows installed. Usually display as C drive in the places. So I entered into Windows and then System 32 and directory. You don't need to do that. Again, here I'm doing main part, renaming utility manager exe to and man to exe. Then it will man. If I made a mistake, then I am renamed that successfully executed, and then I renaming command prompt as it will man exe so that we can use later. So done. I am exiting. So on the startup, if I click on the utility manager, CMD will open. This is the tricky part. So here open, then we have to do something. Control user passwords to, then our user accounts and password will be appear. Then we have to click on the reset password. If we didn't enter any password, it's automatically start up without any password. So we am changing to some kind of password to prove that. So that is late. So problem is here renaming utility manager to CMDXE. So that must be taken. It's recorded in 2020. So HP. So another way is command prompt line net user command to show list net user. Then I change the password to with command line also. Now I am going to log in with no password. So done.